Bonjour YouTube, welcome back to our channel. Today we take you to the Eiffel Tower. No, I'm joking. We're going to be taking you to the city of the architecture and heritage. So, on y va! Following the April 15, 2019 disaster, a major project of Notre-Dame de Paris restoration was set up. While the world awaits the reopening of the cathedral that should be at the end of 2024, an exceptional exhibition is currently running in the capital. Incredible work is taking place in the heart of Paris and in many workshops throughout France. Companions, craftsmen, architects, engineers, and researchers are all mobilized to bring the building back to life. This exhibition offers a link to the cathedral that is currently inaccessible to the public. That statue that we were just next to, it actually features Louis Le Duc's face. And these are the statues that were basically taken down from the flesh, from the spire of the building before it caught fire.
Initiated by Viollet-le-Duc, the permanent collection of the Cité de l'Architecture brings together a selection of the most representative monuments and frescoes of French art. If you would like to see this maquette in real life, you can check our video. We will be putting the link below. Reproduce life-size and down to the smallest detail or presented in the form of models or drawings. These emblematic buildings of French architecture make up an exceptional collection. It is presented in the galleries of the Cité.
If you guys haven't seen our episode from Rouen, you should watch it. It's one of the first ones, so sorry about editing and all of that. But you will see the real version of what is behind me. This is the arc that goes under the Grande Horloge. It's a big clock. I think it's the biggest and the oldest clock in France, outdoor clock in France. Here one can see the unrealized project of the Arc de Triomphe, the Fountain of Neptune, and the Angel of Reims. From Chartres to Marseille, from the Middle Ages to the 20th century, it is like travel through time and space.
Going up to the second floor now. This is an example of 1950s apartment. Personally, I don't like it because of the ceiling is too low. I don't like it. I feel like I'm just drowning here. So I don't know how Anton feels like, but to me, I don't like this space. It's too narrow.
And apparently this apartment is a 100 square meter apartment. I like the ground floor because like the first floor is nice because you've got like a mezzanine up there and the ceiling is much higher. But the upstairs is really, it's not really my jam as well. It's too tight. 100 square meters, I don't know.
Cherry on top, this museum is located opposite the Eiffel Tower at Trocadero in one of the buildings of the 1937 Universal Exhibition. So the next time you are in Paris, taking photos of La Tour Eiffel, you have no excuse not to visit. We came to Italian patisserie. Unfortunately, they started closing their space. So on Google Maps it says they will be closed at 7 o'clock, but instead they decided to close at 5:30. It seems they all sold out everything. So we need to find another patisserie.
I really trust my senses. Catch me if I fall. So done with second guessing. You seem to have it all. In loving the foreign.
This is the oldest building in Paris. Dates back to 15th century and it was renovated in 1900s.
Get rendezvous. Make some time for me and you. Get you over, treat you right.
Yes, of course they had to increase the price for no reason, but still it's tasty. That's it for today. If you like this episode, you might be liking this one as well. Until next week, au revoir.
In the way you talk, I'll show my hand, let's play it out. Putting my heart up on the table. I really trust my senses. Catch me if I fall. So done with second guessing. You seem to have it all. In loving the for anything emotional too soon. You got my invitation, now the rest is up to you.